Swap elements within your photos with any desired objects using LightX AI Replace. Go to lightxeditor.com and hover on AI Tools. Here, open the AI Replace tool and upload a photo. Once uploaded, simply mark the object you want to replace. For precision, adjust your brush size. And use the eraser to prevent replacement of unwanted objects. So here, let's preserve the tree. Click Next to write a prompt. Describe the object you want instead of your marked object. In this case, I want to replace this beautiful canal of Venice with a more beautiful alley. And hit on Generate. Your image will be processed in a few seconds, and the AI will generate this beautiful alley. It's exactly as I wanted it. You can click on Generate More to create more variations. Click on the Compare button below your image to see before-after results. Wow, look at the results! But that's not it. You can even add new objects to your photos by painting over the blank space. Let me create a beautiful vintage car. Just repeat the process. And look, this photo looks so aesthetically stunning now. Use this tool for varied purposes, and once happy with the results, download the generated image to your device